I think people will switch, some of their Bitcoin for ETH to play this trade, but it's the institutional flows. I think the big game in town is going to be what is the narrative that BlackRock comes up with. This is the game.
As the cryptocurrency market continues to grow, leading asset managers are taking a closer look and taking advantage of the situation. Asset management giant BlackRock stands out with the launch of an Ethereum ETF. After receiving regulatory approval for its Bitcoin ETF earlier this year, BlackRock is now preparing to launch its Ethereum ETF. The SEC filing reveals that the manager has already invested $10 million in the initial purchase of Ether. The projection reflects sentiment around spot Bitcoin ETFs ahead of their launch earlier this year. Since then, ETFs connected to the flagship cryptocurrency have seen record inflows, and the supply of Bitcoin on centralized exchanges has decreased significantly overall. In today's video, we will tell you Raoul Pal's view on Ethereum, as he believes that BlackRock's this one move might skyrocket Ethereum. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to never miss an update. We are in the great debt financing cycle this year. That's why the banana zone happens, and that's why the everything code cycle happens, all of that. They have to finance all the debt, and thus they inject liquidity into the system. They do it through rate cuts. They do it through reverse repos. They do it through quantitative easing. They do it through any mechanism they have to refinance the debt. So everyone plays the same game and everyone takes off. They were waiting. Inflation will fall, ready to start stepping on the accelerator. Liquidity increased. That's why the markets are going up. But we are reaching the phase where it must increase a lot to finance the $10 trillion of things that need to be financed. So that's all that's to come. And that tends to happen this year and next. A lot of people will exchange part of their Bitcoin for Ethereum to make this trade, but these are institutional flows. The big game in town will be the narrative proposed by BlackRock. All BlackRock needs to do is simply add to its portfolios. We have seen this before. Outside of the ETF simply gives them the cover needed to use Ethereum as the fundamental layer for the things they want to do, because Goldman Sachs will not use the Ethereum ETF. What is super interesting for Wall Street is the performance. Performance allows you to create products. You can do all kinds of things with returns. You can use Ethereum performance and call options to give you a positive or guaranteed product. You can create structural products. You can do many things. They have always been interested in Ethereum. Ethereum is the big game in town, not because the performance is high, but you can earn a lot of financial engineering once you have obtained profitability. This move by BlackRock could send Ethereum skyrocketing. Integral said that the various staking trends would intensify the supply crisis, noting that approximately 25% of the Ethereum supply is currently staking. ETF issuers will not participate in betting directly, but betting participants will benefit from the price increase, according to the company. Additionally, Integral believes that the approvals will increase institutional adoption of Ethereum and validate cryptocurrencies as a legitimate asset class. Additionally, he said the approvals could trigger an altcoin season as demand for Ethereum spreads to other cryptocurrencies. Many are waiting to see if Ethereum will follow the trend set by Bitcoin after ETFs connected to the flagship cryptocurrency began trading in January. That's all for today. Let us know your views in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.